We ate grass, we built the bomb. India never came, problem be gone. Now 25 years to build the sky. The underhive's been chewing stones since time began. Time to show them who we are, a plan. Supreme Leader Biljee raised the banner high. We follow now, no more asking why. They call us mad, too fast, too bold. They say we'll break before we're old. But Supreme Leader's scarf sleeps just a grave. Move now or be a slave. Chew rocks, chew steel, make the factory floors real. Supreme Leader Biljee's leading, no time to stall. Speed run, build the wall. 25 years to learn to fly. 25 years to touch the sky. First 5 years, blast the bass. Steel mills roaring, setting pace. Second 5, the tracks unroll. Karachi to the Khyber Pass control. Supreme Leader Biljee walks the line, forging futures 2 at a time. They say we'll burn, we'll break, we'll fold. They've never stood where we stand, bold at dawn, at dusk, through endless night, forging futures burning bright with Supreme Leader in the fight. Speed run, build the wall. 25 years to learn to fly. 25 years to touch the sky. They said I'd leave, take the easy way, but I stayed, and here I'll stay. We're dying anyway, might as well build Biljee cylinders where dreams are filled. Green and spinning, wide and high, where our children's children will never cry. That's the only payment I demand for every calloused working hand. Chaiwalas welt, drivers build plans, tailors stitch the spacesuits, fans of steel and steam, and orbital dreams. Every worker counts, or so it seems. Supreme Leader Biljee at the gate. We're building futures, can't afford to wait. Chew rocks, chew steel, make the factory floors real. Supreme Leader Biljee's leading. Fight! 25 years we'll build it right. Speed run, no time to stall. Supreme Leader Biljee breaks the wall, racing the sky at breakneck pace, forging the future. Watch this space. "24 years, 11 months left. Supreme Leader Biljee stayed in the first.